Well, hello, folks. Merry Christmas. Ugly dog style. Folks, we got our Christmas tree all put up, and I made all the ornaments for it. So, we've got all kinds of different ornaments. Green candy canes, red candy canes. We've got gold and black. We've got white right here with a red glitter in it. Pretty awesome. Well, I even made a pewter one with the glitter in it. That's because my wife told me if I didn't, she's going to throw all my Christmas presents in the fireplace because I wouldn't behave. And we got some what they call peppermint swirl. We got several of those, and a little top water that's red and white. Got an S crank that's peppermint swirl. So got a 2.5 peppermint swirl. So that was a lot of fun, folks. If y'all have any interest in purchasing these are $10 plus shipping. So just let us know in the comments below. Oh yeah, there's a gold and black swirl up here too. That looks pretty nice. But that's something that we enjoy doing. We make our own Christmas ornaments like this a lot. So, well, if you want to have an ugly dog Christmas, just get your wife one of these and see what happens to you. So, you know, there's just a lot of fun. So that's our little Christmas tree for the Ugly Dog Studio. And I have plenty more of these laying around. So, folks, we're going to be doing a Christmas challenge. Not going to be doing no Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer or nothing like that. We're going to actually do paint, and we're going to do ornaments. So that will be coming out somewhere around the 22nd of December.
Why can't we do Rudolph?
You can do whatever you want to, old lady.
Rudolph.
Whatever, old lady, leave me alone. So I'm gonna get all my buddies to come get you.
Right, I'm scared.
So, but we're gonna be doing a Christmas special, and we'll paint some ornaments on there for y'all. If you have nothing else to do, just please tune in. And okay, we'll be doing a voting on the Christmas ornaments and be doing a Christmas giveaway. Also, it's my wife's birthday on the 22nd of December, and I'm gonna roast a whole hog. Slipped off and got a whole hog the other day. So it was actually my brother went down in Texas and shot it and brought it back. So we're gonna be smoking a whole hog, and we're just gonna have a pretty good celebration. So, but you know, she's kind of mean, so if I don't do something, I'm gonna be in trouble. So I don't know what I'm gonna get her for her birthday. No clues. So put a red bow on my head and give her the best gift ever. She's in the floor laughing, folks. Remember to like, subscribe, and share my channel, and hit that notification bell and that thumbs up button, folks. Y'all have a blessed week, and I'll catch you later.
My red light on.
The little dot?
Yeah.
Yep. Hello, folks. We're having a date night.
Oh, here. One's it.
Hello, folks. This is an ugly dog date night. So me and my wife decided to do some romantical Christmas stuff. So we decided to come out here to a light show that's out here, Rocky Bernard Farms. They put this on every year. It's pretty cool. So we're just going to take y'all through it with us. So stay tuned. I'm a cheap date, folks.
I don't think this is a cheap date.
Yeah. You know, it'll help him put it on again next year, right?
Yes, it will. And he does so much for our community. We really
he is an awesome person. I like him. You can kind of look around and see some of the things that we're doing. Tonight, and we'll be driving through this, and we'll take y'all on this journey with us. It's going to be fun, awesome time. We might get some cocoa. I don't know. We won't tell them what we'll do.
I wish I had extra money. I need a lightsaber.
Only if it's free coming out. I doubt very seriously they take credit cards, honey.
I don't. I bet they do.
You think they do?
Yeah.
We'll have to ask.
I bet they do. Ooh, and they have hot cocoa.
Chocolate.
Here.
What?
See if she takes credit cards.
What was this?
Hi.
There y'all.
You want one of these pretty things?
Do you take credit card?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Which one would you
I
want?
don't know. Ask her.
Ah, the Santa. We need the little Santa's North Pole thing.
This one? Can I get $5.
I want the snowflake.
And the snowflake?
There's your lightsaber. There's a
I love
card.
these things. Now, do I get that for? Oh, I think she already got your entrance fee, right?
No.
it's right here.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh, I got me a snowflake, folks. The ugly dog got him a snowflake.
It's like freaking out the camera.
And they do all kinds of different ones. They go slow. And then this one makes me dizzy.
Oh, thank you so
And then
much.
these ones, they go real fast too, and I'm like, okay, now slow down.
Oh, I didn't know there were necklaces.
Yeah?
No, I better not.
You have
Thank
a blessed
you.
evening and
Thank
Merry
you, you too, Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
Bye.
The ugly dog Christmas. So we're going into the entrance right now, folks, and we're driving through this tunnel. And it almost looks like we're going at warp speed. So, Mandalorian, here we come to get you, little buddy. So, this is pretty awesome. And we come do this almost every year, don't we, honey?
We have for the past few years that he's done it.
Yeah. And we just really wanted to take y'all on this journey with us. It's something different from an ugly dog, you know. And folks, don't forget that we're going to have our Christmas challenge. And we'll be giving away a prize or two in that. So, just look out here, folks. Ain't that just gorgeous stuff? Oops, there's my wife.
Charlie.
I hope I don't get her mad at me.
There's a reason why I don't let you use the camera.
Okay, I'm sorry. I won't touch the damn camera. I don't even know where it's pointed at no more. I'm just trying to get it around to where people can see. We're just going to go through here real slow. I love these right here because they look like falling stars. See them up here in this tree?
No, you made me knock it.
See them over here in this tree?
Yeah, you can kind of see them.
Yeah, they look pretty.
We're gonna make people dizzy moving the camera around.
That's okay. See them in the little tree in front of us there? That's very pretty, that Noel sign. I really wish that we could get out and walk among all of this and just film it walking through it. But I don't think they'd allow us to do that. Oh Lord, folks, what do we got over here? It's Whoville. Oh heck. Is that the Grinch up there?
I didn't let you out of the truck. How did you get over there?
It's a good thing I got my wand.
You
I'll
do
do
not.
some magic on him.
Oh my gosh.
The old north wind over here. It is definitely a little bit chilly out here tonight.
You gonna see the north wind? It's kind of.
There's the north wind. And look, it's the Grinch. I wonder if the Grinch will pose for us. Maybe. Man, it's a good thing I'm packing heat. Oh, looky there, it is the Grinch. He stole Christmas.
Say hi. Oh. I'm sorry, guys. My camera stand is a little bulky. That's kind of a crazy Christmas tree.
Yeah. I think his star may have a short circuit in it.
He kind of has an evil eye.
That's an evil tree.
No, it's not.
It's not?
No.
Okay.
I really wish this guy in front of me would get off his brakes, though.
Yeah, he's kind of an ass.
Charlie.
Oh, I'm sorry. Would you like me to take my magic wand and see if I can make his brake lights go out? I will. See me doing the magic wand on him?
Oh, you're a mess.
So we've got a dancing lady, we've got a cow,
Swan.
a swan, a goose. You know, I'm not sure what that one is. That may be a pineapple, maybe?
That's what I was going to say. And a parrot.
And we got a parrot behind that.
And a rooster.
And a rooster.
Dove.
And a dove.
Okay, I'm going to move it. I'm going to show you this over here. Isn't that neat? The happy holidays.
Oh, hell, there's a minion out there.
Minion! Ow!
Does everybody in here knows what minions are? They're Twinkie turds.
They are not Twinkie turd.
Twinkie turds is all a minion is.
This is a Twinkie turd right here.
Hey! This is one of my most favorite decorations. It's right around the corner here, folks. It's the peacock. And I absolutely love that one. Well, this is a partridge right here. We got the dove and we got a partridge and we got
Rudolph.
two deers.
That's Rudolph.
One of them's Rudolph. Did we bring my rifle?
No.
No. Okay.
No rifles allowed in the light park.
And then you go around the curve here and you can see the peacock, and this is one of my favorite. I really like the peacock. Just the beautiful colors in it.
There's another Rudolph.
Yep.
And there's a baby Rudolph.
So see, it wouldn't hurt me to take one. And here's another one over here. It's a girl Rudolph.
Look at the pig.
Yeah, show them the pig. I like the pig.
It's hard to show him the pig. Can you guys see the pig there? Oh no, it's kind of hard to see.
And I don't know what that is over there.
I'm not gonna ask.
Whatever he is, he needs to get off the crack. He's trying to fly. I don't know what he's doing.
Trying to get away from you.
Probably.
Okay, I gotta show you this one because this pig, the lights make it look like he's like a bucktooth pig. He's a redneck pig. God love him.
You got your snuff, buddy? And over here to our right, looks like we have Santa's workshop up there. We got a snowflake and Santa Claus by a tree. And we got a happy little elf over there by the workshop. So Looks like they got some candy canes going out in that little wagon over there. It's pretty nice. Uh-oh, we're going in another tunnel and we're surrounded by deer. That's every redneck's dream. At least it's this redneck's dream.
There's Rocky. Hi, Rocky.
Hey, Rocky.
Hey.
How are you, buddy? Good, good. How are you?
My job is I'm the official light bulb changer.
Oh,
Lord of
we're
mercy.
recording it. Say hi.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
We're going to put you on YouTube.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Thanks.
Yeah. Get some more people coming
Yeah.
out.
I appreciate that.
Thank you for what you do. This is great.
I
Yeah.
love this.
We
do
enjoy
too.
it.
Yeah, we come every year.
I appreciate it.
I even got me a snowflake.
Jealous.
Have a good one, Rocky.
Bye.
So that right there, folks, that was Rocky. He's the owner of all this. He does it. And I don't imagine that it could get much better than the job that he's doing out here. It's always a lot of fun for us to come out and see everything that he does. And there's always something new every year,
Yes, there is.
it seems like. So,
Well, we're in a completely different location this year.
yeah, yeah. This actually used to be a
Football stadium.
football stadium for the Greyhounds, ENMU Greyhounds. And now it's a light show for the holidays. They have the,
Well, I want to show him that. That is the cutest thing.
yeah, Rocky Bernard, he has a pumpkin patch, haunted house, corn maze, and a whole little amusement deal out there by Clovis. And it's a lot of fun too. We've been out there quite a few times over the years.
Yeah,
Except I always get lost in the corn maze.
I love this little elf thing.
Awesome.
So cute. I mean, who comes up with this stuff?
Rocky does.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it back around. There's the tunnel that I like.
Yep.
Yeah. The Christmas present. She's happy to be a present.
Yeah, he's pretty happy to be a present.
It has a bow on her head.
Yeah.
Pay attention.
It's it could be in boy because it's blue.
Blue is a girl color.
You been smoking dope?
Originally it was a blue color.
Pretty cool stuff, folks.
I don't know what this little thing is over here. Ow. I hit it again. I don't know if you
Looks
guys
like you can drive in there.
Yeah, but that little thing there. I don't know what that is.
Which
like a little
one, babe?
teddy bear. The green one with the red thing on his head. I don't know.
I don't know. It's kind of cool.
It is. Oops. Let me go back out.
Got all the
Let's see
little
more.
Christmas trees, the little trees here.
A teardrop
Look
icicles.
up inside the boxes on the stadium up there. See them?
Yeah.
Press boxes. That's pretty cool. I hope that we can get closer to that.
Maybe. I don't know. We'll try. I don't know that we actually get to drive inside there.
So as we're leaving this tunnel, on our left, you'll notice that we have the reindeer flying school.
No, you can't go to reindeer flying school.
Why?
Because
You just
you'd
kindly,
no, you'd give the reindeer all the bad habits.
you're just kindly starting to hurt my feelings now.
Or you have to have feelings to hurt. Look at that owl.
Yeah, ain't that gorgeous?
I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is crazy huge. See, there's the flying school for all the reindeer. This one would be me at the flying school. You see, just trying to get the poor little reindeer to go somewhere and do something, and he just says no. Ooh, that was trippy.
Yep. That's kind of cool.
Wow, it does all kinds of patterns.
Yep.
Okay, my window's going back up. I'm cold.
Like a big old sissy.
Yeah, yeah. Ooh, that was pretty, but I'm kind of glad to be out of it. Oh no, there's more.
Yeah, you can go around that way.
Oh, look at the little star.
Yeah, I like the little one over here.
What is that one? Oh, it's like little penguins jumping over
Yeah, it looks
ice.
like penguins.
Let's see if we can get that. There's a bunch of lights in the background, so it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, we kind of got it.
Yeah. It's kind of cool.
Light post.
Yep. Some more tunnels.
See, we get to go through all of that.
Yeah. Cool. If I wasn't drunk before I came, it will be time to leave.
So glad I didn't let you get drunk before we came. 'Cause then you'd be double bad when we left.
Yeah, buddy. I'm a bad boy.
A bad
Yeah, look
influence.
at that up there.
What is it there?
It's hard for them to see what that is.
A little bit hard, yeah. Ooh, right back to the flashy lights. A little bumpy. Not that you can tell because the lights are flashing so crazy. barely escaped.
All the pretty little snowflakes up there on the side of the stadiums. Don't know how well they're going to be able to see any of that.
Yeah, I don't either.
Can't really get close enough to...
No, we could probably go find Rocky and walk around. We
film
can,
it, but
we can be assistant light bulb changers.
okay.
You'll probably have to turn around and pay to get back in though.
Yeah. This is pretty cool, folks. You know, it's always good to support your local businesses. And this is something that he does for the community. And it's awesome. And I don't know how to thank him and his wife enough for what they do, other than to say thank you. It is greatly appreciated by all.
Wow.
Wouldn't this be fun in the mud on some four-wheelers?
Yes, what?
It would. It's a lot of looks. Can get the Noel from here once that truck gets out from in front of it. Will it come up?
Maybe.
Probably might not seem far
Yeah.
enough.
We kind of got it.
Yeah, we did. That's cool.
Ow.
Oh, looks like we got Santa Claus up here. And he's dancing.
Just don't tell him you're threatening to shoot his reindeer.
I'll tell him. For sure.
Oh, bouncy.
Boy, look at them lined up now to come out here.
Now they're all getting out of the Christmas parade.
Yeah. We say ho, ho, ho.
We will.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Just jingle, sleigh bells jingle and ring, tingle, tingle.
No, I'm not. I'm far from post.
Now it's my turn if you'll come down there and drive slow, and I'll film it from the outside.
Okay.
Maybe I'll try. Just look at the support for our local stuff, folks. That's awesome.
Oh, thank you so much.
What do you say?
He said I needed to turn that light. That's bad. I can't see anything past that.
No. It's kind of pulled off on the side over here. I can't help that any. I'm trying to hold it sturdy. Yeah. What a fun time, folks, this was. Season's greetings.